Sometimes you may be using ChatGPT. When you're using ChatGPT, sometimes you won't get good results. So some of you think that it's a problem with ChatGPT, but in most cases, it'll be a problem with you. Because in ChatGPT, prompting is a very important thing. If you give a good prompt only, you'll get better results. So prompting is very important in ChatGPT. In this video, we'll be talking about how to give good prompts to get better results on ChatGPT. For this, install the ChatGPT application. After that, open the ChatGPT application, and after that, here you can see the Ask ChatGPT option. Here you can type whatever you want. And the first thing is that sometimes you may ask any question. For example, you'll be having confusion in any concept. For example, you may not know anything about black holes. So you can ask ChatGPT, what is a black hole? So if you ask a question like that also, ChatGPT will give an answer. But from now on, if you're asking, you should tell ChatGPT how much you know about this concept. For example, if you think you don't know anything about black holes, tell ChatGPT, explain black holes like I'm a 10-year-old, or I'm a beginner and I don't know any concepts of this. So ChatGPT will explain it to you like you're a beginner only. So you'll get better results tailored for you. And sometimes you may know the basics. In that case, you can say that you know the basics, so explain the other things. Or if you're a PG student in physics or something like that, you can tell that. So ChatGPT will give results which are relevant for you only. It won't explain the basic things. So when asking a question, you can add this type of detail. But sometimes we may ask personalized things. Like, for example, I'm having a company and I want a marketing strategy. In that case, that is a personalized question. If you're asking a question like this, what you need to do is important. 3 things you should keep in mind. One thing is that you should give ChatGPT a role. For example, we want a marketing strategy. In that case, you can tell ChatGPT that you are a marketing expert with 10 years of experience. So the role is that ChatGPT is a marketing expert, and then you should tell what you want. In our case, we want a marketing strategy for our company. And the third thing is that you should give context. That means you should explain about your company. The thing is that you should explain maximum things, like your company name, where it is located, what type of strategy you want, how many employees there are, and everything you should explain. So if you explain maximum things and click on the send button, you will get a better marketing strategy for your company. And another tip is that you may not be good at prompting. In that case, you can ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for you. For that, again go to a new page, and here also those 3 things you should keep in mind. First, you should give a role. The role here is that ChatGPT is a prompt engineer with 5 years of experience or something like that. So the role is prompt engineer, and the thing we want is that we want a good prompt for a marketing strategy, and the context is that we should give maximum details about us. And like said before, you should give maximum details, then only you will get better results. The thing is that if you type those things, you will get a better prompt, and you need to go through that prompt. And when you are reading that prompt, you can see so many things that were not there in your mind. And if any corrections are needed, you should correct it also, because some details only you will know, ChatGPT will not know those details. So after every correction is done, you need to paste that prompt in a new page, and when you click on the send button, you will get a better result. So from now onwards, if you are using ChatGPT, keep these things in mind. So this way you can easily give good prompts in ChatGPT to get better results. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.